Children, I am Ibn Abraham, your social science teacher. I am taking politics in your class. Most of you familiar with me. Today, I am going to discuss your politics first chapter, the Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we are going to begin with the football. You likes to play football. Many of you watch football. Many of you likes to watch football. Especially boys, they are like to play football every time. And many of you fans of football and football players. There are many famous football players are there. Many of you fans of them. I know. Messi is there. Ronaldinho is there. And many players are there. You are fans of these players. As the name suggests, this is a game that involves the player's feet. According to the rules of football, if the ball touches the arms of any player, then this is considered as a foul. Considered as a foul. Like this, many rules have football. So these rules help us to play football very nicely and very easily. Each of these rules help us to define game and help us to distinguish play. We can also call them the constitutive rules of the game. The constitutive rules of game. Like this, these rules help us to play football very easily and nicely. Like this, our society also have many rules. These rules help us to live very happy in the society. So we can say that is the rules, constitutive rules of a society. Many rules we have. Road rules we have, many other civil rules and all other rules we have. These all the rules and regulations help us to live in a happy way. So here is the importance of constitution. What do you mean by constitution? We studied already in 6th and 7th standard what is democracy, what is government and features of government and democracy. So for the government, constitution is very important and for the country, constitution is very important. We can say constitution means constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of a country governs. That is known as the constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of the country governs. It is help us to govern very nicely and easily our country. These rules, if we are obeying, means we can live in a happy mood and there is no problem. So the constitution is a written document. It is include all the rules and regulations in our countries. I think you understood what is constitution. What is constitution? The constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of a country governs. Okay. I think you understood what is constitution. So today you study the definition of the constitution and read the first pages of your chapter. And you can do today one work, that is based on this introduction of this video. You can do a work, that is you can make your classroom rules. Okay. If you are in 8th A means 8th A rules, each of the students you can 10 rules you can make. Rules and regulations of 8th A. Give the headings rules and regulations of 8th A. And you have to written in the notebook and send it to me. Thank you.